I gotta put my shoes on. You don't want to buy like new shoes. Let me shoot the quality.
Actually good.
Is it recording?
Is it recording?
Yeah. I really just want to stick my gum in the fucking.
So how are we doing today, Ray Ray?
The interview? No, don't, bro. You got his grease. You got his. He said, I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn.
All right. So what trick we learned today?
Put your foot up a little bit more. Like up there. Right here.
Okay, buddy.
And then you just push. Oh my god, dude. It's like teaching a.
He did a little jog.
Yeah, so. Let me try. Fuck that, dude.
You can try Mongo. Oh. Alright, watch out. I'm on the spot.
He thought it was so cool when he did that.
No, I didn't.
He was like,
no.
Yeah, I did that.
Dude. Wait, what's your back? There are notes, right?
Rain,
Yeah.
tackle him.
Yeah, tackle him. Yeah.
No, bro, I said
Dude, why would I
shackle him. I said shackle him.
Holy shit.
Never mind.
106 video on this.
Wow.
We can become YouTube famous.
Yeah, no, I'm kidding.
Okay, you want to do an ollie? Okay. You actually got pretty close. So what you do is like, your foot's like in the middle of the board, and you jump off with your right foot.
Show me.
Like you jump off with your toes.
Yeah, go ahead and show me.
Like you jump off with your toes, man.
Bro, sometimes on Puff Perk can feel amazing. Sometimes Puff feel amazing.
You didn't even.
Yo, he's actually not that bad.
No, there's a cock coming.
Do it.
Oh. This is for fucking.
Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys?
I didn't even get that, bro.
Bro,
No, I'm kidding.
Oh,
Fuck. Rain, are you good, bro?
No way.
Wait, I like this when you do it. I like this when you do it.
Hey, stop being scared, bro. Alright,
I promise you, if
Don't.
it's me pushing you, you'll be okay.
I can't even get my balance on the.
Alright, then hey, just sit on it. Hey, just sit on it like this and then let them push you.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do, but I can't.
Dude, do it. Just like put your
Yeah,
head.
do that. Literally do that, Ryan. Stop being scared.
Literally scared of. Wait, you said like this?
You're literally scared of it.
Put your other foot. Yeah. Like all the way on the tail.
No. Like this.
Dude, what the fuck? Put this foot right here.
Yeah. Put that foot right there.
Yeah,
There you go.
now you're good.
Now you have more control, right?
Ready? Alright, ready?
Please,
Hey, you ready? You ready?
Yeah, just chill.
Calm down.
Okay, push the board and me.
Okay, yeah, no, that's what I'm gonna do.
Push the board and you're gonna go with the board.
No, I'm not.
He's gonna fly. Okay,
no.
go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Dude, you're grinding my tail. Alright, so what you do is you try to do an ollie, but you flick it.
I'm trying to do it all at first.
Yeah.
Like slides.
Is it harder in slides?
No, it's easier actually.
Yeah.
Better
Get more grip.
fucking snaps.
Try it again.
I'm scared.
I want to hold you.
Dude, you didn't even put him to the ground, you loser. Oh!
Damn.
Oh! Ah, I got shush.
They gonna be itching.
Hey, get the close up on Rayan.
Where'd the hat go? Bro, where'd my hat go? Look at my. Oh, my back, bro.
Yeah, goofy hands.
Look at his back. Are you serious?
Turn it.
Right, no, you're kidding, bro.
Nah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's actually pretty good. Looks better than before.
Yeah.
Shit on.
Is there like a lot of? I can feel it.
No, it's not that bad. It's honestly not that bad.
Can I go in your bathroom? Thank you.
Bro, it's honestly not that bad.
Dude, it's the road. Oh, nice. Imagine. Oh, you gotta go do that. I'm sending this to Miss Abulu though.
Okay, what is she gonna do? Kill me?
Can I use your bathroom?
He's gonna go for it.
Bruh. Not fiction, that's me. Oh, guys, we gotta do it.